Welcome back everybody to Deano Outdoors. Today I'm going to show you how I wired the solar pond aeration system and the optimal settings on your charge controller to get the most out of your aeration system. Let's take a look. I've been getting some questions on how I wired the solar pond aeration system, so I thought I'd make a quick video on it. So I have two 100-watt solar panels and I ran them in parallel. So they come into these Y MC4 connectors. You got positive and positive from each panel and negative to negative on each panel. Then I have this 15 amp inline fuse and then two wires coming in to a hole that I drilled down below here, if you can see it. Then you take these two wires running from your solar panels and run them in to the solar panel part, which is the first slot on your charge controller. Plus you got positive and negative. From there you have your battery. You run your positive and negative to your battery system, which comes up here. Here you got your positive wire and your negative wire. The last slot on your charge controller controls your inverter. So the two wires come out and you run them over to your negative and positive. And then from there you have your pump, which I'm using the Matala 60-liter pump. It just plugs into your inverter and it has an on and off switch, so you turn it on or off. But during normal situations you leave your inverter turned on, because the charge controller will do all the work for you. It'll shut it off at a cutoff voltage and turn it back on at a cut-in voltage. So let's go ahead and look at the charge controller and what I think are the optimal settings. So this is how you'll select all your settings. Press this button once. So that is my battery float voltage. The next, I have it set at 12.8, and that is my cut-in voltage. The next one is 11.3, that is my cutout voltage. I'm running it at 24 hours. And that is the battery, the type of battery that you have. I have selected at 61, and this is the VMAX AGM battery. Now if you want to make a change to any of your settings, you go to which one you want to change. So now we're at the cutoff voltage, and you press and long hold it until it flashes, and then you can adjust it by pressing positive, and it'll keep changing the settings. And you let it go where you have it, where you want it set, and it'll automatically be set. 11.3 volts I found is optimal for the cutoff voltage. I hope that this video helped you out and was able to show you the optimal settings on your charge controller and how you can pre-wire this system yourself. If you guys have any questions on how I wired it or where I got all the supplies from, please leave them down in the comments below. I'll also have a link in the description where you can pick up everything you need to design and build the solar pond aeration system yourself. Thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.